Today I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday,
Saturday, and Sunday.
I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, from affordable beauty supply wigs all the way up to name brand wigs. So if you are looking for something like that, you have found it, because we are inclusive, we're multicultural, and we want you to be part of our community.
What am I doing?
I don't know. I have ADHD, just so you know. I am collabing again with the Wig Company because they're awesome.
Okay.
We did a live sort of Q&A unboxing. They had sent me 3 wigs. We did a Q&A, and they did answered some questions in the chat during those live Q&A, so I will link that for you. I have reviewed a ton of the Wig Company wigs, so I will put that playlist down below. But today we have Flip the Page. She is in the color R435S Plus, which is Glazed Black Cherry. I have never tried this color before, so I'm very, very excited. And this is her right here, okay? I tried her on in that live, but I haven't done anything to her. She is a full cap wig with some mesh elements to it. There are no combs in the front, no combs in the back, but there are Velcro adjustable straps. She's giving me sort of like a 80s rocker thing, but I'm into that because, you know, I love the 80s. Okay, so let's get her on and see what she's all about. This girl here is Michaela or something from Outre Melted Hairline. This video, or this wig, is part of a collab, so you will see that soon, or if it's already up, you know? Okay, so let me take her off and let me get her on. Whenever you get a wig, you know, you want to shake it out a little bit, loosen up the fibers. Okay, I know it looks crazy right now, but she has bendable ear tabs. I have plans. So let me try to get her together a little bit, and then we will come back and you'll see what I did to her. Okay? Okay. Okay, I did a lot of just moving her around just because I wanted her to lay a certain way. You see, you can sort of mess with the bangs a little bit. There is some permatease here. She is silkier, so I did use some dry shampoo. And then in order to like sort of shape her a little bit, I did use this wig wax from Tressalor. I have a review on that. You could sort of make her so she was like really, what's the word, like permatease to be tamed, but I kind of like that. She's given me, you know, she's given me sort of 80s, but that's like coming back. I feel like you could really have these bangs coming really over your face, which is like popular. So I think this wig is way more versatile than you might think. You could, ooh, that's cute. You could also, if you wanted to, just like sort of cut this part off. Ooh, hey. And then, you know, really it's like a different wig. So you have some options, and it would be like cute and a little updo, just clip up type situation. The color is stunning. I absolutely love this color. I want to get another wig in this color. This black cherry whatever is really pretty. It's definitely like a sort of a number 4 deep rich brown with these burgundy sort of highlights running through. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, she's super cute. She really is. I feel like I would want to, you know, do something sort of like this. I think that that would be, you know, nice, because this isn't like a ton of hair, but it would be enough where you could sort of clip it up and do like a little updo with it. Ooh, hello. If you'd like me to do a styling with it, I can do that, because I'm already feeling it sort of maybe in like a more of a chignon, like a low chignon type situation. Like, I think it could be so pretty like that. Take down this permatease just a little bit, and then, you know, piece these pieces like this and just have it be like in a low, I mean, this is just clipped. It's not like sort of like that. If you want to see a styling video of me doing that, let me know down below, because I am happy to do it. And I'm actually going to leave it like this right now because I think it looks super cute. So that is what I have for you for this wig. If you haven't checked out the Wig Company, go ahead and do that. They are a great company. Thank you so much for working with me again. And like I said, my Wig Company playlist will be down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!